Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So I've purposely delayed the video today because I wanted to see if there was going to be a rebound on gold after it dropped over, well, almost $100 after hitting another record high. And this is obviously because tensions in the Middle East are at boiling point at the moment. So we're just waiting to see, obviously, if there's going to be any more news coming out of the Middle East to see if there's going to be more demand for safe haven gold. And also we're just looking at oil as well after it's just ticked lower after hitting a 6-month high, and obviously that trajectory was going to supposedly be towards $100 that a lot of economists did predict at the end, not even at the end of the year, at the end of this quarter. So lots to have a look at today. Obviously a lot going on over the weekend. Hope you didn't get caught out by any weekend gaps. That could have been if you had any positions opened. But anyway, let's just get onto the charts. So on the daily chart, as you can see here, we had the spike just above 24.30. But since then, as you can see, we had quite a press downwards to 23.40. So almost $100 to the downside. As you can see on the RSI, very, very overbought as well. So we are looking for a big correction at the moment, which was pretty much what we got, but there could be room for a little bit more of downside, especially for gold. So we'll just see in the near term if that's going to have any bearing and any consequences on where the safe haven goes next, because there is expected to be more upside, obviously, when there are geopolitical tensions, when there are things going on in the world like the pandemic. When it started in 2020, we saw gold shift very, very far to the upside, and we're seeing this happening at the moment. So, but as you can see here, you know, this really big move in the gold market has really started to unsettle a lot of traders. So now they're in a pretty much wait and see mode for the next step. I mean, we have had a bit of support roughly about the 23.40 area. Since then, slow consolidation, but we are waiting now if we're going to have another push up for another record high, or if price action is going to start looking a bit more to the downside, and that will give us more impetus. That price action will possibly bounce and could actually go a little bit more higher. If we do break this particular area though, 23.40, we are looking possibly at a sell-off towards 2300. That would be the next psychological level for the yellow metal. So lots of exciting movements in the market, at least. And if we just look on oil as well, I'll keep it on the 4-hour chart because I just want to emphasize that we were at a 6-month high for Brent and WTI. So we're just seeing now that price action is in a bit of a bearish channel now, and as you can see with the RSI is moving lower as well. So this could be quite a turning point for oil. And let's just bring it back on the daily chart actually, because I just want to show you the trajectory that we've been witnessing since we hit that bottom at the back end of last year. We were trading just under $70. Now we're trading towards $90, so quite a substantial move. The $100 level, like I said, wasn't supposed to be in the plan at the moment, but as you can see, if we do follow the trend, it's only another few dollars before we get to this last swing high, which is at $95. And after that, obviously, we'll be looking at prices from last summer. 2022, 2 years ago, sorry. So we'll just be seeing now if $100 can be hit, where the next target is, and what will OPEC do, what will their decisions be as well. So lots to think about. Just be careful when you're trading these commodities, because they do fluctuate quite significantly when there are geopolitical tensions or when there is something catastrophic happening in the world. So just keep an eye out for that. And obviously, as you know, a lot of traders do flock to gold and silver as a safe haven, metals, commodities, etc., as we've spoken about in the past. So let me know what you think. This video will be posted on YouTube and Telegram channel as usual, and we'll let you know all the big movements in the market as they come. So stick with us, stay ahead, and trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.